Welcome to Quick Revision for MPSC Prelims 2025. Today we are going to discuss landforms by sea waves. I have already made a video on landforms by river waves. Now today's topic. Also I have included PYQs at the end of the video. Now sea waves, erosional landforms. These are sea cliffs, wave cut platforms, sea cave, sea arc, sea stack, sea stump, bay and headland. Erosional landforms are formed due to abrasive and hydraulic action of sea waves which break down and wear the coastal land. Now first is sea cliffs. Sea cliffs are the steep rock faces that are undercut by the wave action. And wave cut platform is flat rocky surface at the base of the cliff as wave erode the rock. That is, the wave cut platform is a future version of sea cliff. Now second is sea cave. Sea caves are the hollows formed when wave erode the weak point in the rock. So weak point get eroded and remains this creates this landform. Now further, sea arches is a future version of again the sea cave. That wave erode through the rock forming archway. Now sea stack and sea stump. Sea stack, as you can see, is a bigger rock that is shaped like a pillar, and sea stump is much smaller version of that sea stack. This is the example of sea stack. Now headland and bay. The difference is headland are more exposed to the sea, and these headlands have the more resistance and hard rocks like granite, and bay is little bit soft and less resistant rock which erodes quickly. Now the depositional landforms by sea waves are beach, sandbar, sandspit, tombolo and berm. Now sandspit is actually, it is at the mouth of the river with one end is attached to the mainland. Sandbars are long stretch across the bay, leaving a lagoon behind. That is, a little water body is left behind, and it creates a barrier between that water body and the main sea. So lagoon is also an depositional landform. Now tombolo is a landform which connects it is like a sandbar which connects island near the sea to the mainland. Island in the sea to the mainland. Now berm. Berm is a bank or ridge of sand or gravel typically parallel to the shoreline, and it is a few centimeters high. Typically these are temporary in nature, and it also affects the wave action. Also wave height it affects. It is more of a gravelly in nature, as you can see in the image. These are beaches, we all know. Like, it is a gentle action of wave depositing material like sand pebbles and sand. Now previous year question based on it. Landforms at the coastal area by wave erosion. Erosion is the most important word. Now first option, sea cliff, bay, sea caves, sea stack. As we have studied earlier, all these are erosional landforms. So option number 1. Now in further options we can see lagoon is depositional landforms. Sandbar and lagoon both are depositional. Lagoon again depositional. We can solve this question. Here in this question, as you see earlier, arches are formed by sea waves. That is the erosional landform. And in earlier video I have discussed gorges. Gorges are by